Hey everyone, I'm Sue and welcome back for another episode of Does This Notion Really Work? And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Grabbit Bobbin Saver. The Bobbin Saver is distributed by Notions. They've been in business for over 40 years, servicing the home sewing industry. The brand that's most recognized by consumers from Notions is Schmetz Needles. And their national marketing director and spokesperson is Rhonda Pierce. She is absolutely the coolest lady ever, and if you ever get a chance to meet her, be sure to say that I said hi and get ready to ask her some Notion questions. She is a Notion and needle expert. The first time I ever saw the Bobbin Saver was probably 15 to 17 years ago when I was working at a quilt shop. I saw it, I thought it was really cool, I got one, and you know, it was really neat. It held my bobbins in place. I was impressed, but when it really sold me was when my cat came over and started like batting at the Bobbin Saver, like knocking it around the room. And you know what? Not one bobbin budged from the Bobbin Saver. So come with me and let's learn a little bit more about the Bobbin Saver and some other alternative sizes for your bobbins.
When you first get your Bobbin Saver, you're going to notice there is a little bit of a packaging to it, which basically just holds it up on the shelf. And I'm just going to undo the bottom portion and discard that little packaging, unless you really want to save it. You'll notice the Bobbin Saver is sort of shaped like half a bagel, but it's hollowed out and it's very flexible, and it's kind of a rubbery plastic which expands to receive the bobbins, but it also hugs them once they are inside. There are three different sizes: the A class, the M class, and the Jumbo, which are perfect for the Bernina Series 7 and 8. They each measure 5 1/8 inch in diameter. The Class A allows for a 3/4 inch bobbin, the M class allows for a 1 inch bobbin, and the Jumbo is perfect for the Bernina Series 7 and 8, which measures 1 1/16 inch. To try and be consistent, I always insert my bobbins with the threads coming off in the same direction. This way it makes for clipping threads a lot easier and just trying to keep them a little tidy, because I have to admit the Bobbin Saver can get quite messy if you don't keep track of it. And the Jumbo is perfect for my Bernina 790 Plus bobbins, and I just make sure I keep them in the same direction. And now let's go ahead and do the shake test. When I was working in a retail store, I used to always show this to my customers because I just love it. I'm shaking it harder, now I'm really shaking it, and now I am banging it on the table. And guess what? Those bobbins didn't budge.
So what did you think of the Bobbin Saver? Pretty cool, huh? You're probably wondering where you can get your very own Bobbin Saver. So walk into your local quilt shop, ask them if they have them in stock. If they don't, I'm sure they'd be happy to order one for you. And if you can't go to your local quilt shop, there are a few links below where you can get them right here online. And you're probably wondering, how much does the Bobbin Saver cost? Well, it retails for $9.49. I'd love to know if you enjoyed this video, so do me a favor and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave some comments below telling me how do you store your bobbins. And don't forget to subscribe below and click the little dinger button. That way you get notifications every time I upload a video. And if you're like myself and you are a social butterfly, do me a favor and follow me over at Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook. You can also find me now as we have a fan club. It is Sue O'Very Designs Fan Club. It's over at Facebook. All the information will be in the links below. And until I see you next time, I hope you have a creative day. Bye-bye!
If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe below. And don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Have a creative day. Bye-bye.